What's going on with my lawn? Well, I decided to do a pre-summer scalp. I'm headed out for a vacation in a couple of days and we'll be gone for a couple of weeks. Now in the summer, my zoysia is going to take off and it's getting there in heat, and the amount of light in the day and everything, my grass is growing a lot. In May it rained quite a bit. I didn't get a chance to get out there as often as I'd like because of the rain, and my grass started to get a little leggy. I mean, it was okay. I could have just thrown out a PGR before I left on my trip, but I decided to scalp it instead. I scalped it maybe about half an inch lower than what I normally mow at. Now the idea is when I'm away on my trip, it'll grow back. It'll come back up to height, and maybe when I return, everything will be okay. So before I leave, I'll be putting down a liquid ammonium sulfate. My lawn is on a strict ammonium sulfate diet because of the high pH here. I'll be also putting out some citric acid and some fungicide. I'll be putting down Subdue Max as a preventative for Pythium. But in any case, the idea is when I get back from the trip, some of the grass will have grown up and it'll get back to normal cutting height. That's the plan, so we'll see how it goes. I'll see you when I return. Aloha.